agreeing and disagreeing.
I agree with you.
That sounds like a good idea. I think you're right about that.
I'm not so sure about that, though.
I disagree with your opinion on this matter.
I see your point, but I have a different opinion.
That makes sense to me. I think we both have valid points.
Apologizing.
I'm sorry for being late to our meeting. Please forgive me for forgetting your birthday. I apologize for my mistake. I'm so sorry for any inconvenience I caused. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I'm really sorry. I want to say sorry for the misunderstanding. I deeply regret my actions, and I'm genuinely sorry. Asking for help.
Can you please help me with this problem?
I'm having trouble. Could you give me a hand?
I don't understand this. Can you explain it to me?
Could you assist me with this task? I need your guidance. Can you help me out? Can you please show me how to do this? I'm stuck on this project. Can you offer some advice? Eating at a restaurant. I'd like to order the chicken sandwich, please. Can we get a table for 2, please? What do you recommend from the menu? May I have a glass of water, please? Could you bring the bill, please? This meal is delicious. I'm enjoying it. Can I have a knife and fork, please? Entertainment. I like watching action movies and listening to pop music. I usually read mystery novels in my free time. Romantic comedies make me laugh. I enjoy watching cartoons at the weekend. I listen to my favorite songs on the radio. Science fiction movies are fascinating to me. I often read magazines for entertainment. Environmental issues. Recycling is important to help the environment. I turn off lights when I leave a room to save energy. We should plant more trees to improve air quality. I try not to waste water when I'm washing dishes. Pollution is a big problem in some cities. I use reusable bags when I go shopping. Global warming is a concern for our planet. Family and friends. My brother is my best friend. We do everything together. I love spending time with my cousins during the holidays. My parents mean the world to me. I have a close-knit group of friends from school. My sister and I share a room, and we get along well. I have a lot of fun playing games with my family. My best friend and I have known each other for years. Food and cooking. I like to eat pizza and hamburgers. Cooking is not my strong suit, so I usually order takeout. I enjoy eating pasta with tomato sauce. I often have sandwiches for lunch. I prefer drinking tea over coffee. I sometimes make omelets for breakfast. My favorite dessert is chocolate ice cream. Health. I've been feeling a bit sick lately. It's important to eat healthy food. I need to see a doctor for a checkup. I have a headache. Can you give me some advice? I'm trying to get more exercise for my health. I've been drinking lots of water to stay hydrated. I'm taking medicine to feel better. Hobbies and interests. I like reading books in my free time. Playing video games is my favorite hobby. I enjoy painting as a creative outlet. Gardening is a relaxing hobby for me. I often go fishing with my friends on weekends. I watch a lot of TV shows when I have spare time. My hobby is collecting stamps from different countries. Introducing yourself.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Hey, I'm David. What's your name?
Hi, I am Lisa. It's my first time here.
Hello, I don't think we've met before. I'm Mark.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Emily.
Hi, my name's Tom. Pleasure to meet you.
Hello, I'm Jessica. What's your name?
Inviting someone to eat.
Do you want to grab some lunch together? How about going out for pizza this weekend?
I'm planning to cook dinner tonight. Would you like to join me?
Let's have a picnic in the park. Want to come along?
Would you be interested in trying that new restaurant downtown?
I'm ordering takeout. Do you want anything?
Let's go to a cafe for some coffee and pastries.